Hi guys, it's Wednesday, May 13th already. Here's our word work for the day, okay? We're starting with rhyming. Get to the right page. Okay, stare he. Nope, stare and he do not end the same. 10 hen. Thumbs up, good job. Through who. Yep, through and who rhyme. Bed dark. Tap rap. Yep, tap and rap rhyme. Good job. Okay, onset fluency. These are our beginning sounds. Come, camp, ka. Your turn. Dog, doll, duh. Weak, wild, wa. Four, fist, f. Tent, tall, t. Okay, now we're doing our blending with our onset sound and our rhyme sound, okay? H, ug, hug. Your turn. T, own, town. F, or, for. N, ite, night. O, eep, leap. Good. Okay, middle sounds, medial sounds. M, an, a. B, l, e. K, id, I. N, ot, a. H, ut, a. Okay, good job. Time for your choppers. Quick, qua, ick. Your turn. Can, ka, an. Past, pa, asked. Win, wa, in. Have, ha, av. Okay, good job. Okay, now we're going to add our phonemes together, our different parts of our word. Remember, phonemes are the parts of the word. Sometimes we have the onset, sometimes we have the rhyme part. Okay, so we're starting with the part at. Add k at the beginning to make cat. Good job. Now we have L. Add b at the beginning to make bell. We have the part ick. Add t at the beginning to make tick. Okay, we have the part op. Add at the beginning to make mop. We have the part ug. Add h at the beginning to make hug. Good job. Now we're going to take part of our word away, part of our phoneme away. Okay, we have the word mad. Take away what's left? Add. We have the word peck. Take away p, what's left? Eck. We have the word hill. Take away h, what's left? Ill. We have the word sob. Take away s, what's left? Ob. We have the word jump. Take away j, what's left? Ump. Good job. Okay, practice our nursery rhyme. Repeat after me. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town. Upstairs and downstairs. In his nightgown. Tapping at the window. Crying at the lock. Okay, we'll get some more of that tomorrow.